This chip dip is not only flavorful, but it's super easy to make in your slow cooker. This is our buffalo chicken dip, and we're going to show you just how easy this is. And you can copy all the ingredients listed right in the description after this very short video. We're going to get things rolling here by grabbing 8 ounces of cream cheese, and then we'll cut that into small pieces and spread those out evenly across the bottom of the slow cooker. And I really hope Julie washed her hands.
Yes, I did. I promise you I did. Smell my hands.
I'm not going to smell your hands.
Well, I did.
Gosh, all the commentary. 28 years of marriage and, yep, that fire's still lit. All right, Julie's got that cream cheese all spread out in the slow cooker. Now we're going to grab about 8 ounces of pre-cooked chicken here. Generally, you can put in 1 to 2 cups of chicken. We're a little bit light on the chicken today because, quite frankly, we're just out in the house. But then you want to cut that up into small pieces and spread that out across the bottom of the slow cooker. Next up is our 1 cup of shredded cheese. We're going to measure that out and stick that into our slow cooker as well. Looks good right there. And in goes that cheesy goodness. Let's keep moving forward here with our ranch dressing. We're going to go with 1 cup of ranch dressing right into our slow cooker. All right, things are coming together now, which leads us right into our hot sauce. And the amount you use here is entirely up to you, certainly. We're going to go with a simple 2 ounces, but you can go up to 8 ounces or even more if you want. But one thing that is not optional, you got to hit that subscribe button. We greatly enjoy sharing all these videos with you. It's now time to grab that trusty rubber spatula and give things a good mix up here. We're going to stir all these ingredients up in fully before we heat things up. We're going to put on that lid and we're going to set the temperature to low, and we're going to slow cook this for 2 to 3 hours. I know the timer says 4 hours on there, but Julie just did that because we're going to be home watching this. And we are using a pretty big slow cooker here. Normally we would use a smaller one, but this is Julie's favorite one, so this is the one she chose here. And we're already after 2 hours. You can mix that up. And because that dip was spread across the bottom of this big slow cooker, this all got thoroughly heated through pretty quickly. With that chicken being pre-cooked, all we needed to do was warm this up nice and thoroughly. All right, we're getting that moved over to our pretty little dip dish here, and we're ready to dig in. Oh, so good. Now be sure to check out our guacamole video, which you can see by clicking right up here. We've also got a couple more options on the right-hand side of the screen, if that's more up your alley. God bless.